What's up guys? In today's video, I want to share with you what happened at the Metro East Test Center location. But before we start it, if you're new in my channel, hit that subscribe button. Before we jumping into the video, I want to say thank you for Thomas. Thomas, thank you buddy. I really appreciate your donation. You mentioned that you're struggling to book your G road test. Give me a call. I will try my best to help you so you can go for the road test and you don't have to wait. So now guys, let's jump into the video. So I was waiting for my car went for the road test, and what happened is I saw examiner come out of the car, going to the instructor and screaming at him and telling him, shame on you, how dare you, bringing this student without any knowledge. And she went already 4 times for the road test. Guys, in my opinion, if you don't feel that you're ready to go for the test, don't try. Don't listen to the instructor that telling you, let's go, let's try, maybe you will get it. It doesn't work like this, guys. You may be gonna be lucky, but it's not gonna be 100% that you will pass the test, only even 50%. Couple days ago, there was an accident. The instructor car went for the road test. Examiner didn't had enough time to stop, and they crashed into the other car. Guys, ask for second opinion. If you're not comfortable, call me, call to other instructors, take at least one lesson with somebody different person that you are training. The reason for that, not because maybe it's a good guy, maybe he's trying to help you, driving instructor that you are like using his service, but sometimes they are pushing you, telling you, go for the road test, try, maybe you will nail it, maybe you will pass. Don't do it, guys. I'm telling you, I saw this in my own eyes, and I don't want to mention what kind of driving school it was because it's not fair, but what I'm saying is that this person, this girl, she was like crying, and she was not ready. Why do you go for the road test? Anyway, she is my student right now. I hope I will make a video with her just to show you how different experience she will have with me, and she's already improving, and we are progressing to go for the road test very soon. So when she will go for the road test, I will ask her if she can be with me to tell you exactly her experience, not in my words, in her words, so you will see what happened. Now, if you're new in my channel, guys, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learning something, that the test is not a joke. Honestly, guys, I'm trying hard. I give you an example. Last week, I had 7 people that I told them don't go for the test, and they actually, one only listened, the rest went for the test. Only one passed, the rest is fail. The one that passed the road test, she went to Belleville. It's far. It was not too much traffic, and what she told me that now she's calling me and she wants to take some lessons because it's difficult for her to drive in Toronto. Lane changes and all this stuff, it's much harder, but she has a license, so she's happy on one way. But she said that I am going to take lessons and I'm going practice with you to be more comfortable for not just for the road test, for regular driving. Another thing that I want to mention before you guys leave, I have many videos that it's not online right now, and if you would like to see something that it's special, you can text me. It's gonna be under the private link. I will send it to you as a private. You can watch. There is a fees for it, but if you really interested on something like that, let me know. My phone number will be in the beginning of each video, so you can text me and let me know which video you would like to see. I have lots of videos. Also, I'm working on the routes that lots of you requesting, so hopefully everything will be done, and soon, if you like, it's gonna be private. It's not gonna be online for public. so I can help you on that side. You just ask me if I have that location. I will definitely help you and I'll let you know what's the best way and how to do this right. If you would like, guys, please donate to my channel, support me so I can grow more and help you more for stuff that some people, even the instructors, they don't teach you during the lessons. So hopefully I will see you soon and have a great day, guys.